Alright, so there's this thing that many of you have been requesting that I do, but I've been delayed. Look, I have goosebumps. Why do I get goosebumps all the time? You guys, why do you do this to me? And why do I do this to myself? Back to the story. So many of you have been requesting that I do needle felting. You're like,
Jackie, you need to do needle felting because it is the funnest thing in the universe.
somehow I doubt that. But come with me. So don't let the newness of these kits fool you. I picked these up like 3 years ago when I went to Japan because everyone was telling me how amazing felting is. I think I'm gonna try a squirrel because it looks harder, and what would I be without challenging myself? Goodbye, bear. Goodbye, bear. I also picked up double needles, which is supposed to make it faster. A foam mat so we can kind of smush the things on it. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing today. This week's shout out goes to Giggle Cake. If you want a shout out in my Friday video, don't forget to hashtag Nerdification Squad in the comment section below in either my Wednesday or Friday videos, so you have 2 chances. Or hashtag Nerdecrafter on Instagram anytime with one of your creations. Alright, let's do first impressions and how much I'm gonna massacre this absolutely adorable squirrel. By the way, this is not a salty review. I might seem salty, but I think I feel like I'm frowning more in my videos now. It feels like Salty Crafter is starting to take over, kind of Venom-ish style. We've become a collective we now. These things were actually from the dollar store, so if you're interested in checking these out, try not to buy them from Michael's because these exact kind of kits were like $30 at Michael's. Even with the 50% coupon, it's overpriced because, like I said, this was a whole dollar. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So technically, we get wool felt, needle, eye parts, round jump ring, and ball and chain. Even though I got this in Japan, it has English instructions. What are we going to need? What's an awl? I don't have that. We'll have to make do. Glue, pliers, scissors, ruler. So I don't know where the ruler is. Let's check with Pat.
Yeah.
Where's the ruler?
I think it's on the piano.
Let's look for it. Seems like it was. And a mat. Okay, I'm okay with that. Here we go. Okay, so here's the wool that we have. We have like a beige, brown, and white. We get 2 eyes and a nose and this cute little chain, and then a single needle. So I'm gonna go for the double needle just because I think it's supposed to be faster. And then we have all these instructions. I'm really starting to question myself. Why did I decide to do this? And the answer is, ladies and gentlemen, for your own entertainment, because you like to see me suffer and I like punishment. Okay, so I divided my pieces exactly how the instructions said to do. Now it says to loosen each divided piece into 2.8 inches to 2 inches wide. This is starting to sound like IKEA. I don't want to make a salty face. I'm so worried now. Okay, once I do that, I just have to turn it into like a ball thing, and then it says stab it. I'm not even making this up. Look, number 6, it says roll one of the loosened pieces of wool from step 5 from one end while stabbing it to make the body. Stabby stabby. I think I have this how it should be, and now I'm supposed to roll it and poke it with this, but I wanted to show you what these needles look like. I don't know if you guys can see, they kind of look like little lightning bolts. Roll and stab. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, roll and stab. Listen to that crunching sound. Pretty satisfying. Forgive me. It's so close to my finger. I don't know. I think we're not too bad. Now what we have to do is wrap the remainder of the other 2 around this one. Here's what the head is supposed to look like, and here's what I have. It does measure the same as this one, but I don't know why it's so fluffy. Am I supposed to look at? Nope, nope. Now we have to make a tiny body and attach it right on there. I think I'm doing okay. I have no idea how to tuck in all these floofs. And I didn't watch any tutorials, by the way, because I wanted to do this genuinely as my first time putting this together. Now we have the body. I think is completely off because this kind of looks like a mushroom base and mine looks like a kebab. Let's go with kebab. So now we have to put these two together like that. Stab firmly. Oh, it seems to work. This is really, really hard. I have no idea how cocoa felt works and macaroon used to do this. What happened? No, it's okay. Just gotta squish it this way. Now we're going to make the ears, and they said to tuck both ends and try to shape it so that it looks like an ear. I decided to go for the single needle because it's smaller, but I don't know if that's my excuse. I'm gonna stick to it. This is so hard. I've been going at this for the last 10 minutes and this is the closest I'm gonna get to an ear. Let's just take this as a victory. Here are my two ears. Totally a pro. I'm doing pretty good. Like this squirrel has never gotten any proper vaccines and it has fleas. That's my impression. There's still hope. Fluffy tail can help things. Interestingly enough, putting the chubby cheeks was way easier than making any of the other body parts, so maybe adding detail for me is going to be easier. We're supposed to put the eyes on, but I have no idea what an owl, where is it? Yeah, make holes with an awl. And then we have to glue the eyes in. So I'm just going to poke a hole, kind of swirl it around, then put some glue inside, because I have no idea what other option I have. What did I do? Oh man, I think I made the mouth too big. I want to give it eyebrows now. I'm winging this. You can't stop trying to stop me. We're giving it eyebrows. Here's the thing, I really knew that felting wasn't easy, but I had no idea I would mess up this badly. Some of you would be like, no, it's not. I gave him eyebrows, guys. I gave him eyebrows and a quite handsome jaw. I mean, look at that. For those of you who are like, no, it's not too bad. You ready to see what the original was supposed to look like? This. Yeah, you guys decide. Did I do okay? You guys can vote. Kudos to those who do felting, because this requires quite a bit of skill. If you have advice, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Is it me or it looks like John Swanson from Family Guy? Alright, I think that's enough. If you want to see me tackle more Japanese kits, let me know. This was quite fun. And if you want to watch another craft challenge, click up here. If you want to watch a salty crafter video, you can click down here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, I will see you in the next disaster video. Craft.